Everybody, my name is David. I'm a Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. Today, I want to give you guys a quick market update. Now, remember, I did say that I expect Bitcoin to break up to the north, right? Go up high. And actually, that's what Bitcoin did. You know, it went up to $5.80. Okay, the all-time high was was 670. But clearly, we broke up to the upside. Now, hopefully we could have a more bigger push. Like I said, I still expect by the end of the second or third week of February, KOK-COIN's going to push the limits of its previous all-time high and break it. That's what I think will happen. That's normally what we've seen in the chart in the past. Now, because KOK-COIN, had a hyperbolic move, I mean, it could take longer. It could happen in March or April. I'm not saying that it has to happen within, 2, 3, or 3.5 weeks. But once again, if we just look at the all-time chart, I mean, even there, let's say February 23rd or 25th and April 15th, that's like 45, okay, like 50 something days or whatever. And even if we look here, April 25th, June 2nd, that's a month and some change. October 2nd, November 16th, that's around 45 days. Let's look at this hyperbolic move. I can't get the pinning right. Anyway, here, let's just say December 14th is January 29th, okay? So I think, yeah, within 2 to 3 weeks, it would not surprise me if KOK-COIN, makes a new all-time high. If you look at the 90-day, KOK-COIN is looking phenomenal. If you look at the past 24 hours, KOK-COIN almost hit 580 here on CoinGecko. So I still think, yeah, KOK-COIN could have some, little ups and downs. But in general, right now, KOK-COIN looks great. It looks great. It looks like it's set up for a possible another move up in the next 2-3 weeks. It could take longer, I mean, I can't predict the future to exact dates or anything like that, but that's just kind of it's just what I see in the charts, okay? Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I am telling you what I'm doing or what I think will happen, and I am just showing you why I think that way, okay? Now, enough about KOK-COIN, even though KOK-COIN is phenomenal. It's all about, this channel is about KOK-COIN. So, however, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking pretty good. It's not bad. It's not bad. But let's really just look at price range. Now, in the previous video, I did say that this green line and this orange line will cross. And I think that, we're going to hover in between and get close to this area before we have a break up or down. And, pretty much that's what we've seen. We've seen it kind of go down. It's kind of going up. We see the strong resistance on this white line. And maybe it could test that 39,000, 40,000. You might even have a wick above that yellow line that turns into a green line. But I think it'll get rejected and come, go back down and, whatever. It's just going to slowly inch its way towards this cross, and then we're going to see what happens. Now, Bitcoin, if we have an upside, you're going to see some resistance at 38,954. So basically 39,000. If it breaks above that, you'll see some more resistance at 40,000, around 40,000. If it goes back down, you might see some support around 37,400 and support around 35 to 36,000. Here, same thing. Now, these charts is by Optical Arts. Okay, I'm a subscriber. They're on you. He's on YouTube, so I highly recommend you check out the channel because I do. Now, once again, strong resistance on the yellow line. As you can see, you have some wicks above, but it really is rejecting. If we have a good move up, again, 40,000, around $40,000. Okay, 39 to 41,000. You're going to see some resistance. Hopefully, you'll need it to break above it, but just you don't know. Here, if it goes down, if it breaks past 37,000, then you're going to look at 36,000, 35,000 right here in this yellow line, depending on how soon it touches the yellow line. If it heads down, and you'll see stronger support around 33,800. So that's pretty much what you see. It's really hard to say. If you look at Bitcoin, it just looks like it's stair stepping down. That's all it looks like. So here, if we look at it from this right here from CoinGecko. Okay, so let's look at the 90-day. Yeah, you step down, you have a step, boom, down, another step, boom, step, boom, step, boom. Now, here we do see more of an uptrend, but we've seen uptrends here, and it ended up being a step down. So once again, you got to be cautious. You got to be cautious. KOK-COIN looks phenomenal. You've seen how KOK-COIN performed against Bitcoin and the other coins when Bitcoin, dropped down to 33,000. So we're actually moving up now. And this move up, just check the previous video. That's what I expected. But I'm hoping for, within next, 2-3 weeks or 3 weeks and some change, we're going to break above. A good move up. All right. So look, everybody out there, please take good care of yourself. Happy Lunar New Year. Yes, everyone, happy Lunar New Year. Okay. And please, just prepare for whatever's left of this winter. Take good care of yourself. Take good physical care of yourself. Take good spiritual care of yourself, psychological care of yourself. Okay. I'm praying for all of y'all. All right, in the KOK family and, outside the KOK family, please do the same, all right? And, of course, God bless y'all. Really, God bless y'all, and KOK on.